Hey guys, back again, and today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate protein cupcakes. Different. So, let's get cracking. First of all, we need 80 grams of blended oats. So I just whack some oats in the blender, blend it up so it's kind of powder. So that's 80 grams in the bowl. Second ingredient, we need 40 grams of wheat flour. Now you can use any flour, but I just like to use wheat flour, so that's 40 grams. Here we go. Next up we have protein powder, white chocolate flavour. These are going to be a chocolate flavoured protein cupcake, so use chocolate protein powder. 90 grams. So next ingredient would be 2 tablespoons of sweetener, but I've run out. So I'm going to use a dash of this 0-calorie syrup. Now it shouldn't really change the consistency of the mix, because I'm only using a dash, but it's going to give it that sweetness. The next ingredient we are going to go for Greek yogurt. This is full fat, but you can use a low fat, and that will save you calories. So we need 230 grams. So let's go in with, you know what? That is 190. That is, I need 15 more. Wow. There is 230. Yeah, 230. That was lucky. Then we need 1 whole egg. 1 whole egg. Next up, 80 milliliters of egg whites. 80 milliliters. Here we go. Next ingredient, and the last one, is a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Get the spoon out. 1 teaspoon. There we go. And there it is. That's all your ingredients. We need to give that a good mix. Right, the mix is done. Now we need to put them in the cases. So in. How does this work? Done. And there you have it. So whack these in the oven, temperature 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, and they should be good to go. So guys, they were in the oven for 15 minutes, and I've just let them cool down for another 30 minutes. I've just made some chocolate frosting with 20 grams of protein powder and 5 grams of cocoa powder, and 20 milliliters of almond milk. Nice chocolate frosting, so let's just add a little on, like that. There you go. Look at those. They look good. So, taste test. Let's get this off. If it comes off. Like that. Give them a go.